Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Loopring. Sick of high Ethereum gas fees? Do this instead. Ethereum gas fees are once again approaching record highs, putting a strain on everybody's wallets. With an average Ethereum gas fee now sitting at more than $46 for 20 transfers, Ethereum transactions are now more than 20x higher than most other popular blockchains. As Ethereum becomes increasingly expensive to use, it is now essentially unusable for low-value transactions in the majority of cases. Fortunately, there are a number of ways to cut transaction fees down to a bare minimum, helping you get more out of your transfers. Here's what you need to know. How to reduce ETH gas fees. Time your transactions. Though it is true that Ethereum transaction fees are generally high all the time, the average cost of a transaction can vary considerably throughout the day or week. Because of this, if your projects have made several breakthroughs in the last year that have significantly improved their user experience, efficiency and other features. What are Layer 2 Rollups? Layer 2 Rollups are scaling solutions predominantly utilized in the Ethereum ecosystem, which outsource the execution of transactions outside the main blockchain, but retain some data per transaction on-chain. This allows transactions to leverage the same security model as the Ethereum main network, while being processed in a separate layer, preventing network congestion and enabling faster confirmation times. There are two types of Rollups, each with its own design and security properties. Optimistic Rollups. Optimistic Rollups do not conduct transaction computation by default, hence, they can scale Ethereum better by a factor of 10 to 100x. Moreover, they can process complex smart contracts. This stands in contrast to zero-knowledge (ZK) Rollups, which are mostly capable of running simple transactions. However, withdrawal times for optimistic Rollups are significantly longer than ZK due to fraud challenges. Zero-knowledge Rollups. ZK Rollups transfer batches of transactions from layer 1 to 2 and create a validity proof for every batch. This drastically reduces the data size of transactions, which in turn lowers gas costs and shortens confirmation times. Unlike optimistic Rollups, ZK Rollups do not require fraud challenges, since the validity proofs are already verified, allowing fast withdrawal. A ZK Rollup usually comprises two Merkle trees, a vital mathematical structure that helps blockchains avoid the faking of data on its on-chain records, which are stored on a smart contract. One Merkle tree stores the Ethereum smart contract system that is open to the public, free to use, and to which any dApp can connect. What is Loopring, LRC? Loopring, LRC, is an open-source and audited non-custodial exchange protocol. It aims to enable anyone to build decentralized exchanges on top of it by utilizing zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs. ZKPs ensure that assets remain under the control of users at all times. Loopring's goal is to improve order execution efficiency and DEX liquidity by centralizing order management and settling trades on the blockchain. The vast majority of cryptocurrency trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges operated by private corporations. The three main risks of centralized exchanges are lack of security, a lack of transparency, and a lack of liquidity. In order to address these concerns, a new type of exchange known as the decentralized exchange has emerged. Decentralized exchanges, however, are not without flaws. Performance and structural constraints continue to be a problem. That's why transactions cost so much usually boils down to the following. You're trying to transfer tokens, you're invoking a smart contract. Unfortunately, any transaction that involves executing a smart contract and/or sending ERC20 or any of the variety of NFT token standards will cost significantly more than conducting a simple ETH transfer. This is due to the fact that smart contract executions are far more taxing on the network than moving ETH between accounts. Contrary to popular belief, the size of the transfer, in ETH terms, has no impact on the cost of the transaction. Only the amount of computational work required for the transaction has an impact. As a result, more taxing transactions simply cost more. But there is a way to minimize costs even when performing resource-heavy transactions by aggregating transactions with other people looking to complete similar tasks, or by optimizing its gas efficiency. A large number of platforms have emerged in recent months to help users do exactly this. This includes DEX aggregators like 1inch and Matcha, yield aggregators like Yearn Finance and Zapper, and DSN aggregators like ColdStack. These platforms often not only improve gas efficiency, but also the yields you get from your transaction, potentially boosting your overall returns considerably. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52